Welcome to this relaxing session, focusing on cultivating good health. You deserve to be healthy, so you make the necessary efforts towards this lifelong goal. Make sure to get into a very relaxed and comfortable position. Let your eyes gently close. Imagine that you can focus on what's going on inside of your body. Visualize the blood pumping and flowing, giving you a sense of wellness all over. Feel the air coming in and out of your lungs. Feel all of your muscles slowly letting go of any tension. Your bones supporting you. Now bring attention to your dominant hand. Without opening your eyes, visualize it as vividly as possible. Now pause and wait for any sensations to arrive in this hand. Whatever you feel is right for you. Imagine that you can send this sensation to your other hand, waiting patiently for it to arrive. Allow this feeling in your palms to amplify. This sensation lets you get back in touch with reality. As moments pass, the curious sensation also spreads gently to your entire body. At this point in the meditation, repeat this mantra 3 times. I choose health. I choose health. I choose health. Begin now to vividly visualize yourself in perfect health. See yourself making healthy choices. Exercising, going to the gym, working out. Choosing healthy foods. You have successfully quit any bad habits that were draining your health. You read inspiring books and learn about how to better your emotional health. You feel amazing. You are the perfect example of good health. Now imagine very clearly how it feels to be in perfect health. Good. Hear yourself repeat these statements. Every day, I make healthy choices. I love the way exercise makes me feel. My skin reflects my healthy lifestyle. I feel strong and full of energy. I am healthy. Great. From now on, your health is more important to you than anything else. Begin to gently return your awareness to the present moment, bringing with you the power to live life, making healthy choices every day. Open your eyes and take a nice breath.